Hello my queens, it's Dana Persia. Welcome back to my channel. This is where you get the real deal on real beauty. Today I have the microblading video. I'm really excited to bring this to you. I got my brows microbladed and I'm obsessed with them. I love them. This is about the 8th day since I had them. I got them done last Tuesday and today is Wednesday, so it's been about 8 days. And they are amazing. I mean, if you're thinking about it, definitely watch this video because I feel like I never have to touch my brows. And I have to get them touched up in a couple of weeks. That's part of the process. Here is what I look like without my brows. And as you can see, this is what they look like after you get them done. They actually, I don't know if you can see, it looks like hairs. It doesn't even look like, you know, ink or anything. It looks like natural dark hairs. And I'm gonna show you the products that we use, the color that I used, and walk you through the steps. So I hope you like this. Definitely subscribe and ring that bell so you can get more notifications of upcoming videos. I am working very hard to bring them to you every Friday. So look for those notifications, and if you want them, like I said, ring that bell. So as you can see, she's already started on my brows. She's onto my right eyebrow, but I wanted you to see the picture on the right is the very first step. The technician takes an eyebrow pencil and literally draws on your eyebrows. So you want to make sure you agree to them before she starts actually using the ink and the blading knife. So that's what she's doing now. This is the first round where she goes in and actually draws hairs. As you can see, I'm bleeding a little bit. There is a little bit of blood. I didn't know what was happening, and it didn't really hurt because before this she put some numbing cream on, and she is now just kind of finishing the tail of that, and she goes in and actually applies a coat of the dye. So now she's wiping off the excess from the left eyebrow, and she's now going to do another round of microblading on that brow. And again, she keeps putting numbing cream on because it really does help. I believe this is a numbing and antibiotic cream, so that's what she's putting on there. Two products. One is the actual brown number 3 dye that she uses to actually scrape in the brow hairs, and then there's another another dye product that goes in after. So this is a kind of a multi-step process, and then again the numbing cream, and it's a constant back and forth. But this is about, we're almost there. We're almost ready for the second round. And she's preparing that right eyebrow with that other product. The process from start to finish is about 2 hours. Overall, fees are anywhere from about $600 upwards to $2,000 depending on the city that you're located in. Also, you have to go back for your initial touch-up. That's usually included. If it's not, it's about $100. Now, I will say when she goes in the second time to really define the brows, it was a little bit more painful that time, I'm not gonna lie. But the numbing cream helps, and it just feels like a pinching. But your eyebrows are already a little raw at that point. So once again, I say this a lot, beauty is pain. But as you can see, the hairs, I mean, they look like real hairs. So microblading and microshading, which is the combo that I got, can last up to a year or more. You do have to go back and get touch-ups. The next step is what's called needling. And she takes almost like a very sharp needle and is doing detail work with this needle and the dye. And this kind of gives, it fills in. This is actually the micro shading process part of it. And she did go in and groom underneath a little bit with a facial razor just to make sure that my stray hairs were cleaned up. And so, as you can see, the needling, again, that's not very painful. It sounds worse than it is. You'll receive aftercare instructions, and I received a complimentary tube of aftercare cream, which really helps the healing process. Well, what'd you think? I am so excited that I was able to do this. The owners and the technician were fabulous. They allowed me to bring my camera in, and we just hit record and went. So let me know if you have any questions about microblading and microshading. Please leave your comments below. Remember to subscribe and ring that bell again to get more videos. Have a great day, my queens. Bye.